Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step process on how to read Instagram messages without opening them. Before we get into our video, make sure to watch the video till the very end, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing that we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll have to tap on the message icon on the top right hand side corner. And in order to see this message without opening it, all you'll have to do is go back. On the search bar, type in the name of person whose direct messages that you want to see. Tap on their account. And from the three dots on the top right hand side corner, tap on restrict, that is located on the fourth option. Once you do that, you can tap on the messages option here, and here you can see the messages without opening them. And that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to read Instagram messages without opening them. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and have a good day.